Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot. It's Monday. It's Making Moves Monday. I'm Dr. Sweet, and let's dive right in. This week, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to try to put together a full week on discussing the power of momentum as we go through each of the days of this week. So as you know, we take Monday and we call it Making Moves Monday. So let's dive in with the power of momentum and see how it might relate to making moves. So what exactly is momentum, right? In the simplest of terms, momentum is a force. It's a force that keeps something moving once it starts. The best way I could describe it is like momentum is like an energy that builds up when you take an action, making the next step that you take easier because you now have momentum. It pushes you to go faster or stronger. Here's the thing though. Momentum isn't just a physics concept. It's not just about mass and velocity, even though those terms are important. It's a life concept too. And the way I've been thinking about it is that the meaning of life ultimately is not just about standing still. It's about momentum. It's about movement. It's about progress. And it's about growth. So every small action you take today, my friend, is a step towards creating the life that you want. And you will build that through the power of your momentum. That makes sense? Makes sense to me. Another way to look at it is this. Think of your goals like a snowball. Like a snowball at the very top of a hill. Now the hardest part is getting it rolling. It might feel heavy. It might feel like you can't push this thing. It's like pushing up against the wall. It's such a huge snowball. But once you make that first move, that little nudge, you create, you guessed it, momentum. So today, all it takes is one small action, one small nudge, one small push, one small intention to get that ball rolling. So what's your first move going to be today on Making Moves Monday? And remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. All right, thank you for listening. This is Dr. Sweet. You're listening to Making Moves Monday on the Sweet Spot. I hope you found this somewhat helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for Tuesday. And you know what Tuesday is? Oh my goodness. Yes, it's Take Action Tuesday. See you soon.